Jowhar in the Middle Shabelle region of Somalia experienced seasonal rains in September. The resultant flooding was worsened by heavy rains through October and November. The floods destroyed villages and submerged farms.
The water we receive is not enough. We only get 1,000 jerrycans, which can't even satisfy half of the people here. We are drinking unsafe water because the water we have is extremely dirty. We use purifying tablets and make the best of what we have.
Jowhar remains largely cut off after the rains and floods badly damaged the road linking into Mogadishu. The poor state of the road has limited the flow of humanitarian assistance to the area, leaving many stranded and without basic necessities such as water, food and shelter.
When we communicated to humanitarian agencies through our high authorities, they were able to respond. But now the challenge was they could not move by road. The trucks could not cross the water. What happens is that most of them could find alternative routes, but they could always be delayed. So the civilians were mostly affected because food could not reach them in time.
AMISOM troops are currently hosting the internally displaced persons at their base in Jowhar. The nearby town Madai is also under the force's control. Madai was previously a base for Al-Qaeda-linked Al-Shabaab militants, but was taken over 2 months ago. But the stability has been shattered by the conflict between the Jaria and Abgal clans over who should control disputed farmlands. Robert Soy, CCTV.